Now we will see the simulation of interfacing of LCD with Arduino. This is a circuit diagram of interfacing of LCD with Arduino. As we know, LCD has different control pins, that is RS, E, D4, D5, D6 and D7. Since we are using the LCD in 4-bit mode and we are using this LCD only for displaying purpose, so RW is directly connected to ground. Whenever we are using LCD in our project, then first thing is we have to include the liquid crystal.h header file. So now we will see the code first. First instruction is we have to include the liquid crystal.h header file, and the syntax is hash include liquid crystal.h. The next is we have to use the function liquid crystal LCD. This function defines the Arduino pin which are going to be connected to the LCD pins, that is RS, E, D4, D5, D6 and D7 respectively. So pin number 12 of Arduino is connected to RS. Pin number 11 of Arduino is connected to E. Pin number 2 of Arduino is connected to D4. Pin number 3 of Arduino is connected to D5. Pin number 4 of Arduino is connected to D6 and pin number 5 of Arduino is connected to D7. After that, we have to use the void setup function. In void setup function, we have to use lcd.begin. This function is necessary. In this function, we will define the type of the LCD which we are using. Here, the LCD which we are using is 16 by 2, that is 16 column and 2 rows. So that we have to define in the void setup function by using the function lcd.begin 16, 2. The next is void loop function. In void loop function, first we are setting the cursor at column number 3 and row second, that is 1. So the syntax is lcd.setCursor 3, 1. By using this function, the cursor is set at column number 3 and row 1, that is the second row, from where our text is going to be printed. Now the text that we want to print is hello world. So we will use the syntax lcd.print. In the bracket between the quotation mark, we will give the message that we want to display, that is hello world. Now we will see the simulation. So now we will run the simulation. Now we can see the output that hello world is displayed on the LCD at position, that is third column and the second row. Now suppose we want to set the cursor at the first row and first column. Then we have to change the command, that is lcd.setCursor 0, 0. Now we will print the next string, welcome to Arduino. Now we will run the code. So then we will start the simulation. Now we can see the output that the text is displayed from the first position, that is 0, 0, that is 0th column and 0th row, that is the 0th column and first row. Now the message is welcome to Arduino, which is more than 16 character. As we know, LCD can display maximum 16 character in one row. So the characters which is more than 16 will not be displayed on the LCD screen. So the two character, that is N and O, will not be displayed on the LCD.